pinagtunan mo maging malungkot mag-isa. That's so powerful that you don't need anyone para maging masaya ka. Pero, no man is an island. Tama ba? No man is an island. Yun. No one can live alone. Nang mag-isa lang, nag-first quarter last time. Hello. Guys. Podcast mo naman. Sige, podcast kayo. Podcast tayo. Drop kayo ng questions. Hanggang 1 lang. Sige na. Hindi siya happy. Ilan naging ex mo? Actually, isa lang yung long-term and serious. Pero yung isa, ewan ko, basta parang ano lang siya. So, I really don't consider him as an ex. Wow, nice. Thank you. I do dance sometimes, yeah. Hi, love. Thank you. I don't know how to pronounce me. There. Hello. Nagkasanta po. Ay, pagkala. God, so anong pakaramdam ko? 5:30. Or maybe because... Grabe na. Grabe na po. Thank you. Hello. Grabe sa 2 stars. Thank you. Thank you, boss. Patingin ng muscle. Ano nga yun? Ano to? Can you touch my muscle? Hindi ako nag-arms eh. Nakasal niyo ako. Hindi ako nag-arms. Sana ng muscle? Yun lang yun ah. Nag-kill. Picasso. Potik yan. I want a career change. What are you planning to take? Diba? Picasso, touch my muscles. Can I see your muscle? Can I touch your muscle?